So let's start my topic. Autoclave. Let's start my topic. Firstly, crystallization. What is crystallization? Crystallization is a term referring any process that removes or kills all form of microbial organisms such as fungi, bacteria, virus, spores, worms, etc. present on a surface contained in a fluid or in a component such as biological culture media. And sterilization can be achieved by applying heat, chemical, irrigation, high pressure, and filtration of them. So autoclave. The autoclave is the equipment used to remove microorganisms that like virus, bacteria, fungi, etc. And spores using high pressure and high temperature heat crystallization. So definition of autoclave. Autoclave is a pressurized device designed to heat aqueous solution above their boiling point at normal atmosphere the pressure of to achieve crystallization. Autoclave self clip means self locking device. Okay. So brief history of autoclave. 1450 BCE uh, Moses and 462 379 BCE Hippocrates and next Lazaro Stefani and Foster and Dennis Papin. These all scientists of autoclave and 20th century. So it was finalized by Charles in 1987 and colleagues of Foster and building up on Papin's marmite and farm culinary to medicine. So how does it work? So liquid water cannot be heated above 100 degrees Celsius in an open vessel, and at 100 degrees Celsius boils water heated in a sealed vessel and pressurized and the boiling point of water is set. So autoclave uses microbiology, medicine department, veterinary science, dentistry, and etc. departments. So purpose of the autoclave to prepare material for bacteriological cell culture like test tubes, pipettes, packages, etc. without contamination. Okay. Second, prepare elements used to take it for taking samples like needles, tubes, containers, and the third, sterilize contaminated material. Okay. So principle. Boiling point of water is directly proportional to the pressure when the volume is constant. So when pressure is increased in a closed vessel, the temperature increase potentially for added 15 pounds of pressure per square inch, that is PSI. Okay, the temperature rise to 120 degrees Celsius, and this pressure and temperature is keep constant constant for 20 minutes during autoclaving, and it is sufficient to kill the vegetative forms and the spores of the organism. Okay, so next construction of autoclave. So a cylindrical vessel mode of gun matter and controller with time and temperature programmable by user, and a bucket bracket numeric 2 line 32 character LCD display. Okay, and no water label sensor open and soft short alarm and cutoff. And lid is fitted with pressure valves and safety valves, safety fuse valves, plugs, manual exit valves, and vacuum brake. Okay? And lid ensures an airtight closure in the autoclave, and the perforated plate, which is used for keeping the material to be sterilized. Drain valve for easy draining and cleaning, and models, rubber gasket, and stainless steel carriers along with heater cover stand. Okay, so next operation principle: when the pressure higher than or atmosphere, higher temperature and than 100 degrees Celsius need to boil the water. This steam contains higher energy than usual, and autoclave makes pressurized saturated steam in a chamber passing electrical current through a heating element in controlled manner. This in, uh, Ionized steam takes place required sterilization, and this method is known as steam sterilization. Okay, so main components. First, heating element. Second, temperature control. Third, pressure sensor. Next, chamber, door gasket, solenoid valve, water level sensor. Okay, these parts will be share the screen. This is a part of autoclave. So this is thermometer, and this safety valve, this air removal valve, and this the pressure valve, and this pressure control valve, and this fastening screw, and the lid, and perforated resting plate, and heating element, and drain valve, water, and pressurized vessels. So these part of the autoclave. Okay, so working of autoclave. Most autoclaves contain a sterilizing chamber to place articles, a steam jacket where steam is maintained, and steam flow from the steam jacket into the sterilizing chamber, and cool air is forced out. A special valve increases the pressure to 15 pounds per square inch above normal atmospheric pressure. Okay? And the temperature rise to 121.5 degrees Celsius, and the superheated water molecule rapidly conducted heat into microorganisms. The time is reduced to 15 minutes to kill bacteria. For denser objects, up to 30 minutes of exposure may be required. Okay. So, uh, this diagram shows this is a diagram of air removal. The diagram in this this is so various methods involved are downward displacement, steam flushing, vacuum pumps, super auto atmospheric cycles, and sub auto atmospheric So, firstly, next is different type of autoclave. So, first, heat autoclave. The most common source for autoclaving is heating. Here, the autoclave should maintain a temperature of at least 246 degrees or half an hour. So both dry heat or steam heat are used. For steam heat autoclave, heated water vapors are used, and dry heat autoclave are used for moisture-sensitive surgical products or instruments. Second, gas autoclaves, so also known as chemical gas and gas autoclave, use the vapor solution to sterilize its contents. So formaldehyde gas and ethylene oxide are the sterilizing agents used in gas autoclave. They consume laser heat and take laser into to complete the cycle. And ultraviolet autoclave, they produce UV light that kill the unwanted disease causing organisms. Okay. And next, laboratory autoclaves. So they are used for journal lab work, component and stability testing, handling, and drying glassware and display. Next, stove top autoclave. So in such autoclave, the tools should always be separated to or allow the steam to penetrate the load evenly. So it is the simplest option. Okay. So this structure, different type of autoclave. Wait a minute. Um, so different types of autoclave. Yeah. So double autoclave and lab autoclave, stovetop autoclave, portable autoclave, and fixed horizontal, rectangular, and cylindrical autoclave. Okay. So, next, limitations. So safety, environment, cost, and force equipment. So first, safety. A very high pressure environment and autoclave cracks or leaks scale the autoclave operator, and an industrial autoclave can operate at an even higher temperature. And next, environment. Environment of autoclave carefully prepared and condensate release is extremely hot, have a supply of cold water so the condensate does not melt the drain pipes. And second, cost. Building a large autoclave is expensive because it needs insulation, water supply, and necessary material construction cannot easily be disassembled, disassembled into smaller parts. Steam autoclave do not supply enough heat for some industrial process, so need another fuel such as gas or oil. And fourth, fifth, equipment reliable, specialized, plastic equipment with steel and cannot sterilize some clothes and lines without destroying them. And cleaning procedure. Never use bleach, steel wool, uh, steel brush, or anything abrasive to scrub or clean the chamber. Remove instruments, the so remove instrument and trays from the autoclave. Spread the content of package in chamber evenly. Select and start program number one without dry. power to remove any excessive dirt in the pipes and select and start program number 1 without light. When the cycle is finished, it will automatically exit. At the end of the cycle, drain the water from the river. Now autoclave is ready to use. Okay, so preventive maintenance. So firstly, water. Clean all the filters, water and air. Fill the water levels of each tank up to maximum limit. Check that the manometer functions as expected. Check the accuracy of temperature reading. Activate the safety valve manually to verify that they are operating well. And conducted a general sterilization process write down pressure, temperature, required time for completing each phase of the cycle. Put it on the registration system. Verify that it is functioning without tolerance defined by manufacturer. Check any abnormal sound is current. Clean the chamber and remove landscape if any. Advised to use only distilled water. And check the earth leakage current and protective oven. Okay. Landscape. Landscape is the heart of white chalky deposit found is Kettle's hot water boiler, and add little amount of any acid heat the chamber and deposited CaCO3 will be removed and then line of with plenty of the water. Quality of process. Sterilization process indicators that they check instruments control parameters like temperature, time, and pressure. Chemical indicators adhesive tape that go inside a component or on packaging. Biological indicators. The spore indicator is placed in the sterilizing load and after the process it is incubated, analyzed and it is determined if the cycle meets with the sterilization requirement. Okay. So thank you so much. This video is completed and any theory invention, the comment box. So thank you.